In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert my photos on the Midjourney site. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own images into a prompt, so Midjourney can use them as visual references. This is great for guiding style, composition, or keeping a subject consistent across your generations. First, open your browser and go to the Midjourney Create page. This is the main workspace where you build prompts and generate images on the web. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so your uploads and results are saved to your account. Once the page loads, you're in the right place. At the top of the screen, find the Imagine bar. Think of it like a smart prompt field. Everything you add here, image references and text, tells Midjourney what to create. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, scroll to the very top or widen your window so the full toolbar is visible. Next to the Imagine bar, click the image icon. It usually looks like a small photo or a plus sign. This opens the Images panel, which is where you'll manage uploads that you want to attach to your prompt. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure you actually click the icon and that pop-ups aren't being blocked. Now add your photo. You can drag and drop it straight into the panel, or click to browse your computer and select the file. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image with the main subject easy to understand. Large files are fine, but extremely massive images don't add much benefit and can slow things down. And as a best practice, only upload content you own or have permission to use. After the upload finishes, click on the image you just added to insert it into your prompt. You'll see a thumbnail or a reference link appear in the Imagine bar. That visual reference tells Midjourney, use this as part of the guidance. With the image reference in place, type your descriptive text right after it. Be specific about what you want, the subject, style, lighting, mood, and any key details that matter to you. For example, you can say what to keep from the photo and what to change, or describe the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Clear, concise language helps the model understand your intent. When you're happy with your prompt, press enter and let Midjourney process it. That's it. You've inserted your photo and combined it with a text prompt to guide your creation on the Midjourney site.